be with you from the start to the end. Baby, don't break my heart, oh. Break my heart, oh. I wanna be with you.
Good morning to you. Good morning. Anyways, good morning, guys. I don't know what we're doing today, but my grandma went to the hospital a couple of days ago, so she was feeling sick, so we're gonna go see her. Other than that, Cynthia and I are about to make our breakfast for the day. Hi. Good morning, guys. It's trying to focus. Chai right now, and these are smooth move, but I don't want to drink these right now, so. Well, you wearing those? Yeah, I might not want to. You don't want to wear those.
Alright, too good.
Huh?
Too good.
Yeah, they're gonna turn dirty. Red. Yeah, they're gonna get turned red.
That's why I said to mom, she wanted me to pack like the best things sneakers that I have.
No, I wouldn't even wear those.
I mean, yeah, they're good, but
They're good, but I just wouldn't work. I don't think it's working.
unless
Like I don't even like.
unless you want to wash them as soon as you get back. Where are your sandals?
Really? They look fine with this.
Do you have sandals?
Oh no, I think that my flip flops are.
No, I said
I don't
sandals.
own sandals, no. I was gonna bring some. I brought some nice boat shoes.
Like Sperry?
Yeah, but mommy took them out of my bag because she didn't like them.
You shouldn't have brought those. You should have brought. I would have brought Sperry.
Mommy made me bring every good sneaker that I own. Like, she was like, bring me a good one. I told her it's gonna get dirty. It's gonna get sand all over it. She was like, no.
Just get them, right? And when we come back, get them wash them. Tea is brewing. I've been vlogging.
Like one cup right here.
Junior's having, what are you having for breakfast? Milo. So we're on our way to see Grandma at Borromeo Hospital. She's not feeling well. Mom's sister.
Yes, I'm your mom's sister.
Mommy, can you introduce your sister?
Okay, so you introduce your sister.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's my senior sister, Auntie Angie. Your Auntie Angie, my sister Angie.
Yep.
And I do call her Angeline. Because that's her name in French.
French, because I read French
She's a
at the higher
French teacher.
institution.
Are you a French teacher?
Angeline.
Yes, I've been a French teacher for a long time. I wrote French books. I wrote French books that schools were using then. And I've been teaching French, and right now I'm a vice principal in a command day school in a good army school.
Junior's gonna have an energy drink. What is it called? It's called Boost Energy.
Junior, you drink Coca-Cola all the time, right? It's the same thing, okay?
It's Boost.
Where's the sugar?
Is this what you drink?
Yeah.
Okay. Junior said it's gonna make him crazy. Inky, what are you drinking? Let me see. Inky's drinking Real.
Citrus.
Yeah.
Tell me the flavor. Is there a flavor?
Yeah, it's citrus zing.
Let's see.
I want to compare the sugar to this.
The sugar? Well, it says per 100 calories. The whole can has 27.5 grams. This has more. What's it taste like? It's citrus?
Yeah.
Drink it. You have energy all day.
Oh, okay.
Junior, your favorite cake? It's the only cake they got here. Oh, my battery's dying. We're making cupcakes with frosting. We're making makeshift cupcakes and frosting. Because we don't have any measuring spoons or...
You got sugar
Wait, hold on,
cubes.
Keith. What? I have to tell you the measurement.
There's nothing to measure. We have sugar cubes. How are we measuring it?
I know, but eyeballing something. Okay, internet is out. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, wait, it was 1 cup of sugar. I remember that. 1 cup of sugar.
Yeah, but how much does that make?
So, Inky, explain what we're doing right now.
I'm making frosting. Somehow.
And you're pouring in.
Peak. Evaporated milk with some sugar cubes. And then we're gonna put it in the microwave.
Very unorthodox.
Try to melt it, and let's see what happens.
What are we doing over here?
I'm trying to make this, I'm trying to get butter, but like Nigerian butter is so hard. It's like you can't even do anything.
It's like ice cream.
Yeah, it's harder than ice cream. It's like a wood. What did you say? I said firewood. I'm trying to eyeball a 1/3 cup, and I don't know how to eyeball a 1/3 cup. But more better.
We got major mixing going on.
Okay. I don't know how to measure a cup, but I'll figure it out.
You know how to measure what?
I just need a cup of water. I think after
regular cup in
after I put this in, it'll be easier to eyeball like the consistency with the water, you know?
Oh yeah, you're right actually.
We are cooking our cupcakes in a, what do you call this, toaster oven. It's actually cooking faster than we thought it would, so it's actually pretty good. So good so far. That's what I thought. We finished our cupcake. We got to vlog it, but it turned out really good. They were delicioso.
Oh, muy delicioso.
Did we turn those off?
Yeah.
Okay. Just leave that alone. Not quite sure. Go upstairs. Everybody's asleep. We're trying to pack the car to go to Ikedu for the day.
You know that massage thing of a shark?
Yeah.
It just hurt my stomach. I was like, there's like 2 things sticking out from it.
Yeah.
Just curious. I was like, you hurt yourself. He was looking at it. I'm like, yeah, it's sharp.
We're taking a couple cars because there's going to be a lot of us going. Compound. Say sayonara to Wi-Fi. On our way to Inky's village.
For washing.
Inky, you're going to show us the way.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Inky, you're going to show us the way.
I don't know the way.
Wi-Fi is gone. Gonna be a bumpy ride. Gonna be a bumpy ride.
King to Labia. Now on the media.
Yoga, they don't know
What I did
now, one never extended. Ijam can wine on here. Describe woman. I can my you I read the other bossing at that. I my love, even wine. Hugh Lawrence Belende Belon Ija on the video this week. Carbolo if I get you call now till death. Now baby no baby as husband and wife. Bolo can be also that. Bro, que eu não ganhar copy, não como ganhar name. And the nipa name of me, yeah, na relationship, I know you. What you could do, all the videos about you. Yeah, can you no more so get this? All the Koya can I see is okay.
If I need you about
no gas Guido Monos, Chassia, making it and the Nifeni now know about witness, or I find you and you Joto and the you have gauges on one I'm a and then no good support. Nekene na anya na azụ. Nekene na anya na azụ fact dey. Nekene na anya na iru ejuju. Nwere odi support, nwere odi ọzọ, nwere odi ifu na nwere. Unu wee mee ife anọ anyị na-ebele. So
and don't worry for Bonnie Leva, don't worry for your medal.
Oh, and nobody for Bonnie Leva.
Need for Bonnie. Don't worry for you. Yes.
So, can they pull na government because all of us my fine belong yobna. Obrosofa, when yobna no dinner, when yobna well for gayo, fine na yob kachukuna, melai I see where you're selling this. And the Happy New Year, everybody, and it's JJ's birthday. Happy birthday, Junior. Your boy's 16 years old. Happy New Year.
It's a birthday.
26.
No, it's New Year. Have some New Year spirit.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Can't see any knockout. Oh, I see a couple.
Yeah, happy
Okay.
Is my phone here? So I'm getting my hair braided and I'm almost done. Been here since it's almost 4 and we started at like 9 a.m. So I'm almost done. And they're distributing some of the gifts for Pinky's traditional marriage to the town because we can't take all of it home. So everyone's sitting down to get their portion.
Okay, let me take a look at your hair. Halfway point.
These are the in-laws goodies that they brought on the 27th. So they brought many tubers of salt, soap, rice, gambita, milk, everything, and suitcase. Now I call my women, my helpers, powder because it signifies a lot. So they ate, they rubbed the powder, and now they are sharing the goodies amongst themselves. That's tradition. I have to share it with them, and now they are sharing it with the rest of the kids amongst themselves. So they are doing ballots now, so that nobody cheats the other.
What do you mean?
Auntie is doing the ballot because sometimes you see that the soaps are not enough, and then salt, we have many more. So you have to share it in such a way that if you don't get this, you get that. Then when you do the ballot, then
So
wherever your luck lies, that's where you go.
So ballot as in like they call your name and you pick, or
Call your name, you pick, whatever you pick, you open it, and then you pick the number.
oh, okay.
Yes. If your number is 13, you pick 13, you go over there and get number 13.
Okay.
Yeah. Soon they are going to call Phoebe, and Phoebe will go, pick a number, and then you go over there and match the number with the number of the gift. Yeah. My sister, Auntie Angie, picked number 14. Now she's picking. What did she get? 2 tins of tomatoes, 1 bar of soap, and 1 tuber of yam. Yay! Isn't that what you want me to do? Oh, Sister Rose. Oh, okay. I think it was Sister Rose.
Wow.
Sister Rose, I picked 16 for Sister Rose. Now, find gift number 16. 2 tins of tomatoes,
1 bag of salt, 1
One
bag
tuber
of
of yam.
1 tuber of yam.
Oh, and then bag of rice.
Okay.
I want like the most people to go. I want everybody to go. And it can be so much more fun that way. I'll just put it in. Okay, when do you start?
We're packing our stuff. It's dark in here, so I can't even vlog at night in here. Anyways, we're packing our stuff up. Junior, did you pack your stuff?
No.
This room is a chaotic mess. Look at this.
Thanks, guys.
You can't even see the bed.
Thanks, guys.
Junior,
Thanks, guys.
whatever. Anyways, we're packing our stuff up. Inky overtook the closet, so I never got to move in here.
Yeah.
But that's cool. That's cool. Next time we here, I'm taking the closet. I'm taking the closet.
Well, Junior took a bath, so I don't
Junior,
He was in there.
really though?
Junior, you have way more than 3 pairs of shoes here.
In the closet.
Yeah, this is the closet time. Inky. But that's cool. Moving? We're moving? Yeah. Sad to leave. I don't want to leave. But today is the last day. And we're on our way to the airport. Packing up the last of my bags. I'm bringing back a lot of stuff. It's supposed to be the opposite, but it's not. I don't want to leave. I didn't even do a complete house tour. This is our room. This is our bedroom. Key and I's bedroom. This is our closet. This is our bathroom. Nothing really special there. And then our little surround system setup. Vanity. Bed. Carpet. I wish I want to take this carpet back because I like it. So yeah. You can do a complete upstairs real quick.
Just put it in a suitcase like this, it'll bounce back.
Okay. This is upstairs. This is the back living room down there. This is a dining room up here. And then there's 2 bedrooms back here. 1 bedroom here and 1 bedroom here. And then this is the front living room. The stairwell. And then this door goes to the balcony outside. Love this view. This balcony outside. And this house in front is my grandpa's house. This is the house my dad grew up in here. Before they leave me. One more room is my parents' room to show. There's a back balcony back here. That's what these doors are here, but we don't need to open those. Mommy's room right quick. Are you out of here? That goes to a living room. Are you out of here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Closet. Out.
So can you come back here?
I don't want to leave. Oh, God, so sad. You're used to the village life. It's like, why am I leaving? Like, I have Wi-Fi and TV here. I don't need anything else. Back to reality, where people go to work. Ugh. Work is for the birds. Work is for the birds, right? Who you think you be?
Stop vlogging me.
Paparazzi.
Let me finish the house tour. Ooh, before I break my back. Oh, low. Okay, I guess we're going from the front door. So let's just go that way first. All right, so this is the stairs to the living room. Bringing my bag down as I vlog. This is very dangerous. I'll hold it.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't want my pillow to get dirty. Oh, car packed. Car packed. I'm gonna keep my bag right here. All right, so we'll finish. Low light, but this is the living room. 2-part to living room, bathroom back there. This is the bar. Empty though. Now that that party is over. And there's a back fridge with drinks. Guest bedroom down here. There's 2 bedrooms back here. This is the back living room back here. This is the backyard back here. And then we have a boys' quarter over there. And that's that. That room, oh yeah, that goes to the pantry. Hi, Auntie. All right, so this is the back living room. This is the kitchen and the pantry back there, like a breakfast nook thing. And this is the garage. Garage is closed. And then this is the dining room, which I don't think is open. Oh, it's open. The dining room. And that is it. Sorry everything is dark, but we packing up. We about. That's it. Yeah, we're leaving, so everything is like lights out. So yeah. My mom is not ready yet. Car is packed.
Documentary.
Yep. Yeah. I don't want to leave. I'm gonna miss this room.
I'm gonna miss. I don't want to leave because I feel like we're not coming back soon. But I hope next year. But only God knows what we're gonna be doing next year. You know? I don't know. I mean this year, I guess.
This year.
But just this year, next time. Almost
Yeah.
year, no.
Oh, this had a surface. I didn't even know.
Yeah, because my stuff was covering.
Yeah, I didn't even know.
So you still with them as well?
A little vanity set. I love it. Did you put anything in the drawers?
No. I never opened it.
You know there's no internet.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, I think I just figured that out because I think I tried to send a snap and it
I
said,
think they turned it off.
wow, like bam bam.